You brought up a very interesting point, which is a lot of CISOs don't have the money, the budget, or the people. How do you deal with the shortage of people?
Well, it's kind of it's a it's a very tough world out there because you're looking for talent, you can't find talent, and once you find them, you keep them, and they'll jump ship every year or 2 years.
Because they get more money somewhere else.
And I've just heard a CISO telling one to the other, says like, why would I train a person on threat hunting? Because after a year or two, I know he's going to go over to your shop, right? So why would I want to spend that money and train him or her for you? So those are the kind of environment that you're in. But my solution to talent shortage and issue is that if you have the CISO sitting on top of infrastructure and network guys, right? Still reporting to the CIO, for example. He then, by virtue of that reporting structure, now have a whole team of cybersecurity team members to help him the costs, right? I don't need to go hire people because I have domain administrators, I have application administrators, I will have firewall administrators.
Well, you're talking about letting security kind of run within each team, having a security champion within each team, creating a champion program almost.
Well, the real life scenario out there for a CISO is that whenever they try to do something, they get roadblocked by infrastructure and network folks, the CIO, the business, you name it, they get roadblocked.
Well, there's challenges because they have a deadline to launch something for business reasons. I mean, that was one of the shortfalls in the Equifax, the congressional report of Equifax, is they were launching and buying companies and just trying to meet deadlines. Security became like not last on the list. It wasn't even on the list.
If you look at all the breaches and you talk to all the CISOs, there's one message that comes out. Well, we discussed that segment of the business before, and we said no, that's not advisable. Guess what? They got overridden. It was a business solution. Even if you go to talk about the cost of breaches, it was IT. Well, we talk about that, but IT says no, we do not want to disrupt the business. We're not going to do that. Thereby, we accept the risk, right? If you have a CISO sitting in front of a CIO reporting to a CEO, I think you could sidestep some of those costs. You could limit the number of breaches that you may have. That's my view.
The CyberHub Engage podcast is sponsored by CyberHub Academy. CyberHub Academy are cyber business operation experts, helping any size business operationalize cybersecurity within their organization, whether it be tabletop exercises, security assessments, or building a cybersecurity strategy. For more, go to cyberhubacademy.com.